welcome to the channel. So in today's section or today's video, we are going to talk about the latest examination of assistant professor computer science. So this examination was held on 13th February. I wrote this examination for assistant professor. It was combined exam for assistant professor, associate professor and MCA. So if you are preparing for the teaching profession and you recently passed MTech, so you can guess that in next 5 to 6 years or maybe in 10 years the openings will come and you can start preparing. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to give a short analysis about the syllabus and the paper and some of the memory based questions. So this is the syllabus you can find on the website as well. Discrete structure, computer system architecture. So if you see, there is this subject called as machine learning and artificial intelligence, but I didn't find a single question on this particular subject. And second is the computer graphics. So on computer graphics there was hardly 1 or 2 questions maybe. In programming language also there is hardly 1 or 2 question or no question was there on a programming language as well. So most focus was on the other subject, like data structure, algorithm, compilers, theory of computation, computer network. Then I didn't find any question from software engineering as well. Data structure was there. Then definitely this database management was there. Computer architecture was there. Okay, digital logic was there actually. So in this syllabus actually I think digital logic, yes, digital logic is there in computer architecture itself. So digital logic was there. So main focus on the exam is based on both assistant and associate professor. So that's why I don't know, but there was some subject which were completely missing, like as I told you, neural network wasn't there, computer graphics hardly 1 or 2 questions, programming again either no or a 0 question, and software engineering. So I don't know whether this is the correct syllabus for the assistant and associate professor or not, but this is what the syllabus I found on the MPSC website, and this is the syllabus I prepared. I didn't prepare the subject machine learning, I didn't prepare subject software engineering and computer graphics, and I just got lucky that there was not a single question from this 3 subject. Computer graphics there might be 1 or 2, but you can just neglect that. I think 1 or 2 is not that much. Now let's see the difficulty level of a paper. The difficulty level I would say is moderate, because most of the question is like that you read the question and answer it immediately. There is no calculation needed, but there were some questions where you need to calculate and time is very less. As you can see, there are 100 questions and you have to finish it within 60 minutes, right? So to finish 100 questions in 60 minutes, you have less than 1 minute to attempt or read and calculate or guess the answer in less than 1 minute. So that's why it's tough, because of the time limit, because you have to finish 100 questions in 60 minutes. So I would say the difficulty level was not very high like a GATE examination where you have just 60 question and 3 hours. Here it's completely opposite. You have 100 question and 60 minutes. So the most of the questions were like you can answer in a single line. So first strategy for preparing it, I wanted to go for previous year GATE question, but then I realized after watching the question papers of mechanical and electrical that it is going to be more of a theory based question and less of a calculation based, first of all. And second is we need to know the theory or a basics when you appear for this kind of exam, more basics and more theory. Okay, so that is what I would suggest about preparing for this examination. Focus on the core subject of the computer science, like which subjects are there in a GATE exam as well. Okay, like you see computer graphics or neural network is not a part of a GATE exam as well. So concentrate on the GATE syllabus. Okay, keep brushing up your basic about all these subjects when you are preparing. Okay, so I'll be coming up with detailed preparation notes or preparation guide soon in my channel itself. I'm planning to launch a full course for this particular either MPSC or GATE aspirants or any competitive exam aspirant where this is the base syllabus. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to cover artificial intelligence, computer graphics and software engineering as of now, because these subjects I have not prepared. Okay, and I think these subjects are not there in a GATE exam as well. Okay, now so that is what I will tell about the analysis about this particular paper. If you are planning for the teaching profession in Maharashtra, which is MPSC examination, so my suggestion will be keep focusing on your core subject, keep brushing up brush up that subject, revise those subject again and again, and keep a notes of it. Okay, and one or two subjects will change mostly, but core subject will remain same. Even I wrote the polytechnic teacher for a lecturer exam 10 years back in 2014 maybe. So that time also either 13 or 14 something like that, in 2013 or 14. So that time also I prepared only the GATE subject and I managed to clear that exam, which is for the lecturer in government polytechnic MPSC, and this is assistant professor again MPSC computer science. I'm not sure whether I'm going to crack this. Of now I will suggest prepare the basic subjects which are there in a GATE as well. Okay, so that's it about the analysis. Will come about memory based question in video 2. Thank you.